Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 4187 East Lake Road in Canandaigua.
This is a premier Canandaigua Lake View building lot, steps away from Deep Run Park with a beach on Canandaigua Lake.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
Build your Canandaigua Lake View dream home with just under 1 acre of a nature paradise. This is nature at its best with Lakeview living. This spectacular land has all utilities, including electric, gas, sewers, and public water. We have architect's plans featuring a custom ranch home by Rich Krenzer that could be approved by the town for an immediate build.
We can custom design your dream home. Imagine the possibilities. A beautiful open floor plan encompassing a granite kitchen. Amazing one-floor living. How about an elegant owner's suite with a tray ceiling? The possibilities are endless. Steps away from this home, you have beach access at Deep Run Park. What a premier location, minutes to the city of Canandaigua with gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 4187 East Lake Road in Canandaigua.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.